Have you ever wondered if a small mixture from your own kitchen could change the entire vascular health of men after the age of 50, something that most men do not think of, but an American female doctor, Dr. Amelia Hayes, believes that it can open the door to increase blood circulation, improve energy, and help blood vessels wake up properly every day. Today, I will tell you the surprising story behind baking soda plus citric acid, two powders that seem to have no value, but when combined, create a reaction that helps men improve circulation naturally. Before we start, if you are interested in health, please subscribe to the channel, Wellness Roots Journey. Click like, share and leave a comment. Because each of your comments is the motivation for me to make new videos every day. The story begins one autumn afternoon in a small clinic in Massachusetts. Dr. Hayes was seeing a steady stream of male patients, ages 55 to 70, asking the same question: "Doctor, why is my body responding so slowly? Why don't I have energy?" And what surprised her was that they weren't lacking in desire, they were just lacking in circulation. Dr. Hayes explains, nitric oxide declines dramatically with age, blood vessels have difficulty dilating, blood cell elasticity decreases, the body becomes more acidified, inhibiting nitric oxide synthesis. They don't get weaker, their bodies just aren't as efficient as they once were, and this is where the story gets interesting. In a simple experiment with medical students, she mixed baking soda plus citric acid plus water. The familiar fizzing occurred, but what was different was the product, sodium citrate, a compound used in medicine to support pH, circulation and improve red blood cell flexibility. She wondered what would happen if men over 50 drank this mixture properly. She tried giving it to a 62-year-old male patient for 2 weeks. The man came back and said, "I don't know if it was a coincidence or the doctor's strange mixture, but I found my body more awake." This made her start to do more research. She discovered baking soda reduces body acidity, which aids in the production of nitric oxide. Citric acid reacts to create sodium citrate, which helps blood cells move more flexibly through small capillaries, stable pH, better functioning of blood vessels. Blood vessels respond better to oxygen demand and blood flow, and the most important point, the effects appear within 15 to 60 minutes. After drinking, minutes 0, 10, pH begins to balance, minutes 15, 25, nitric oxide gradually increases, minutes 30, 45, sodium citrate is absorbed into the blood, supporting circulation, minutes 45, 60, the body reaches its strongest circulatory performance. This is why many men feel warmed up, comfortable, blood circulation is better. Dr. Hayes uses the following ratio: 3g baking soda 0.5, 1g citric acid 250 to 350 milliliters water. Wait for the fizzing reaction to finish before drinking. If you have high blood pressure, kidney disease, are on a low sodium diet, start with half the dose or ask your doctor. As baking soda contains about 1000 milligrams sodium per 3g. Many people think their problem is age, but it's not. You haven't lost your sex drive, your masculinity, or your strength. Your body just needs a little support for your vascular system, and sometimes the solution comes from your kitchen. One of her 70-year-old patients shared, after 3 weeks of using the mixture, I started to notice my hands were warmer, my feet were less cold, and I woke up feeling 10 years younger. No miracles, just proper blood circulation. Use regularly for 30 to 45 days. Better vascular response, improved daytime energy, deeper sleepless fatigue when climbing stairs. Many say they get their manhood back. It's not your body that's getting old, it's your blood vessels that need to be awakened, she said. Baking soda reduces acid, supports nitric oxide. Citric acid, sodium citrate helps blood vessels to be flexible, increases circulation after 45 minutes. Safe if used in the right dose. A simple solution but worth a try. If you want more videos about men's health after 50, energy, heart and daily healthy living tips, subscribe to the channel, Wellness Roots Journey. Like and share the video. Leave any comment to let me know you are watching. I read all your comments and will reply as soon as possible. You are the one who motivates me to make new videos every day.